Hi, my name is Dr. Moria Levy, and I want to speak to you today on changing the game. Why? Because it's time to move on. What we did yesterday is not enough for tomorrow. So why? Why today? Why not next year? Why? What has changed? And I can say that nowadays I meet many business managers, and many of them, the majority of them, are concerned. They are less smiling. And that is not only because of political issues here or there, that is something that is shared all over the world. They are less happy because they understand that we have too many threats out there. It's not only the traditional threats that we were used to. We are now facing new threats as to globalization. We are now facing new threats as to digital-based solutions that take and replace our traditional solutions. And overall, we have new competition and we even have a market disruption. So many of us say, okay, that's where comes in digital transformation. Yes, digital transformation is a good thing. Whether if we do it slightly by adding more and more computerization to our offerings, and whether if we do it in the true way, adding a new value proposition based on reinventing our company and our value based on our assets. However, these solutions are necessary, but we cannot settle with them alone because they are very expensive, because they are very risky, and they take too much time. So we have to continue on our digital transformation journey. Okay, we have to add more IT options. We have to add more computerized options, even though it's risky, even though it's expensive, even though it takes time. But we can't wait, and we can't put all the eggs in this basket. We have to do other things at the same time in parallel. And I want to offer a different mindset, different way we can change the game, not putting digitalization aside, but at the same time doing other things that will be easier and more beneficial, or at least the same. So I want to speak about game changing, and I have to set the stage explaining how we can start even though we have limited resources and yet reach unlimited options. So there's no magic here. There are simple things we can do. We have to understand that new opportunities can be based on not only computers, but also on strategic repositioning. The way others understand us, their perception on us may change the game. Market collaboration, market competition, competing and collaborating at the same time can change the game. These two opportunities or these two ideas can yield many new opportunities. So what do we do with these ideas of strategic repositioning and market collaboration and competition? We provide new value propositions, and the new value proposition may be based on our knowledge assets, on our tacit assets, but not only based on them. They are a great thing. They can be multiplied and used again and again and again with no cost or with hardly cost. But we don't settle only for them. That's one thing. The second thing we do is we look of offering new value proposition based on the user experience we provide and not only on the functionality and on the cost. And the third thing we do, we not only look at our knowledge assets, however, we look at partners VPs. We look at our partners VPs and what they can provide, because we are here in a new age of collaboration where we can have new coalitions in collaborative projects with people from different industries, from different organizations, from different types of organizations that we dreamed like. Like, for example, matching an educational company with a industry-based banking company, or matching a fintech with a gaming company. And I can go on and on. And these colliding options give us something new, because we can change the game if we really truly build collaborative teams and culture, and then we can find new opportunities, being pioneers, basing these opportunities on our knowledge assets, on our collaborative coalitions, and basing them on the new global market that is virtual and is based on a lot of it, a great portion of it is based or can be multiplied if we have these knowledge assets of ourselves and our partners. Of course, we have to reposition ourselves in this new market, not staying in our old market, however, moving to a new one. Not staying in our position, however, repositioning ourselves with new offerings and with a new place on this board. This will not only enable us having a one-time show, a one-time renewal. This will enable us, if we do it truly in the deep way, in a collaborative way of building coalitions in a culture of collaboration, it will enable us to again and again in a cycle that is continually returning to find new knowledge assets, new collaborations, and new global markets, leading again and again when the new trends are supposed to come in. So Game Changer is cheaper and faster. It changed the rule of the game, providing us realistic and affordable business transformations. We can start searching, and we have to start searching for our new potential now, not tomorrow, not next year. Because if we don't do it, our competitors will do it. If we don't reposition ourselves in some place new, someone else will take that space. Because today we have limited assets. We work, most of us, in physical locations. We sell our goods. We work with a current industry that is somehow limited. And too many times we follow and react to existing trends. Last but not least, too many times our clients are choosing us among other alternatives, comparing us again and again. However, in this new game-changing mode, we have unlimited assets. We can reach any asset we need, because one option is it's a knowledge asset that's inside our company. Another option is that we don't have it, but we can find who has it and have a collaboration with them. Second thing is we can work virtually. We can work globally. The market is much bigger. We can work on a new industry level, even in a multi-industry level. We can be one step ahead of all the others, not only following the trends, but setting the trends. And our clients can turn to be our co-creative partners. Not we running after them, but we and them together running and leading the new markets. So what do we have to do? We have to choose a growing market. We have to take the best position we can find that is affordable. And we have to develop our key assets. We have to collide the right entities, and we can and must turn them ourselves into industry drivers that don't follow, however, change the game. Remember, knowledge management, our knowledge assets, collaboration and co-creation, positioning, these set new rules of the game. These enable us to change the game to a new level, affordable, reachable, with a lot of smiles. So that's it, and thank you.